Okay, I just quickly want to talk about the editor. If you obviously once you go into the page, you can drag the things wherever you want them to be, these modules. The ones in green, these are global modules. They are, well, you can put them anywhere you want on every page, and automatically if I update this one section now, all the pages will be updated. So if you want, like this is your footer. So to do that, you have to right click here and save it as. So if I want to make this one a global, I'll go save to library, and I can check this as a global and give it a name here, and then I save it. That'll turn it green, and which means whenever you edit here, everywhere, all the pages, that same module will be edited. Now, if you want to insert this module in another page, let's say this is your footer. I want to add it from the library because I saved it to the library. And once it's loaded, you choose the thing that you've saved. I've got the quotations and a contact form there. Charles, your footer is over there. So if you just click that, it'll then insert it right in the spot here, and you can click and drag it around. Okay, so just keep this in mind. If you didn't want this contact form or query forms here for some reason, like I don't know why I got deleted, but if you don't want it here, you can disable this whole thing here. You don't have to delete it. You can also go right click here and disable global, or you can just, disable, and you can choose phone, tablet, and computer. So now no one will see this on a computer or a tablet or a phone. Okay, then it'll be grayed out. Thank you. Also, if you name these modules, it's nice and easy to know what they are. So for instance, if I go into this footer, you get all your customer service links here. Okay, just remember, if you go right to the bottom, and whatever you type in here will be displayed as a label. Cool, thank you. Also, saving these modules to the library. Let's say, for instance, this logo scroller, you want to use it in many places, or even this whole section. You can just go right click, save to library, the logo scroller. You don't have to make it a global item. Now, if I want to insert the same thing on another page, I can just go to add from library, and then I can choose my logo scroller. It's not green like these are global. Logo scroller, and then I've got logo scroller, and I've got two of them on the page. All right, thanks.